As the US left Afghanistan in a rush and the country loomed in uncertainty, Pakistan again took the lead to assist Afghan people with humanitarian aid and help the international community with evacuation operations. But still, is the whole effort acknowledged, if not appreciated by the international community? Pakistan is still being blamed for its alleged role in the victory of the Taliban, especially in Panjshir, but this pattern isn't new. As far as Afghanistan is concerned, the West was focused on achieving total victory in Afghanistan. International community saw the idea of the ANDSF as a game changer for Afghan security architecture. The West repeatedly told Pakistan that the border is a major issue in terms of movement of terrorist groups fleeing from one side to the other. Moreover, the world saw millions of Afghan refugees as Pakistan's problem. Last but not the least, the US saw India as a force for good in the region and made it feasible for India and the US-led Afghan government to work together. But what was Pakistan telling the US during the last 20 years? Pakistan kept telling international community that Afghan conflict only has a political solution. Pakistan kept repeating that the US formula of raising an Afghan security force wouldn't work. Pakistan acknowledged that the border needs to be managed and asked the international community's assistance, but was forced to bear the whole cost of managing the 2,600-kilometer-long border itself. On the refugees issue, Pakistan kept repeating that there should be a dignified return of Afghan refugees to their homes. Pakistan always tried to convey to the international community that India is playing a spoiler's role in the region, particularly in Afghanistan, but was never heard. International community, especially the US, kept repeating the demands of do more in supporting operations in Afghanistan, assisting counterinsurgencies, managing the border issues, bringing Taliban to the table, etc. But now, Pakistan has already done too much with not only bearing the cost of managing the border, bringing Taliban to the negotiating table, but also having faced the loss of 80,000 lives, $150 billion of financial cost, and hosting 3.5 million refugees. The major concern for Pakistan is that the international community still does not realize that India has been playing a spoiler role by disseminating misleading propaganda and misinformation campaigns effectively. Pakistan has continued to provide alternatives to the misleading efforts in Afghanistan, but India continues to act as the spoiler, which has ensured the West wouldn't course correct.